AK explains the relationship with Shirley. Denies pursuing Frankie's girlfriend. AK will hold a solo concert next month and attend the premiere of the new song MV. During the interview, he explained the relationship with Shirley and denied that he ever pursued Frankie's girlfriend. Earlier, a number of IG stories suspected to be of Frankie's girlfriend Christy were circulated on the internet. Among them, it was alleged that AK had pursued her, and it was also pointed out that Shirley was dating AK. AK denied that he ever pursued Christy. They were just friends. We have a common friend and talked about the topic of dancing. But we didn't talk much. Regarding the accusation that he had pursued Christy, AK also denied it and said, "I don't think so." In addition, it was revealed that he was dating Shirley. He said that we had known each other for a long time. He also apologized to Shirley and emphasized that he is single.